to the camera. Hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. She's shy, but she'll be doing all the editing behind the camera. There's Amanda and Amanda. Our studio room. Make something of it. Be a podcast room. Say hi, Aaron.
Hi, Aaron.
Awesome. That was awesome. Hi to the camera. Here's our office. Just videotaping us for the world to see. For the world to see. I know. It is great. Who? What about? A little tribute to Gary V. Level 2. Level 1. If you know anything about charging stations, you'll get it. Say hi to the camera, Scott. There's Scotty. Residential sales. What's up, Joshua? Don't let Joshua be shy. He's the man of the hour right there. Rocking it. He is on the phone. Say hi to the camera. It's commercial sales right here. And our VP, David Laderberg. It all happens with him. Mr. Renfro. What you working on there, bud? Some of us have bigger screens than others, right? It's just a matter of life. Did I just tweet this to Elon? No. We wanted to kind of archive some of our old school history of charging stations. But you'll see, this is the warehouse. So we got loaded materials. We'll receive materials here, put them on the red block. They'll go up on the shelves. Charging stations everywhere from ChargePoint to Tesla, Jeslas and Siemens, VersaCharges, you name it, we got it. So we're building this right here. This is unique because we're going to use the upper layer for storage and inventory. We'll also utilize the bottom layer for a shelving rack. You can see a little wire rack pull that we did. Not too bad. As we continue to get more and more EV charging station installs, we'll continue to grow. So that's a little bit how we work. Shipments come in, they go on the shelf. Our electricians get the orders, they prep, they put them in the blue box, and they're ready to go out for the day. Right now, we're averaging somewhere around, I'd say, maybe 120 to 180 installs per month. As we open up more and more offices around the nation, we'll be able to increase that number, hopefully to 25, maybe even 500 a month. So, this is our loading dock back. We have receptacles, recycling and trash. We have an on-ramp as well, which is really convenient for the guys to pull up and just load up, stock up. Other than that, yeah, not too bad. Signage, charging station signage. Here's one of our own. So what do we have there? Tesla charging station signage. This is usually generally for like superchargers or for destination chargers. Charging only. A couple of those. no, these are a couple toe signs. These are always good. Put these on top or below these bad boys, and you'll be able to get some good results coming out of there. There's a couple other things. Put these on our stations just to let people know they're out of order when they're out of order. Uptime's usually about 98%, 99%. These are a really good one that you can couple with a charging station sign. We sell those. This one, pretty cool sign. Reserved for active charging cars. Violators will be towed. Violators will be shot on sight. This is our main charging station sign. We put these up. Most of our installations, electric vehicle charging only. There's a story behind that. It used to be electric vehicle parking only. However, municipalities had a tough time trying to pass that law because of infractions, of course, with regular, see right here, here's one of the old ones, electric car parking only. Municipalities were fined that they couldn't. So again, reason being is, you know, what you do for one car, you got to be able to do for another. So you can't really say, hey, we're only going to select this parking spot for these types of cars. And so the way they got around it was to include the language electric vehicle charging only instead of electric vehicle parking. Not too bad of a workaround. It worked. As far as everything goes, you can see some of the older model charge point units that were actually taken out. These are a couple of Eatons. These are some old school ones right there. We're going to put those up in the archives section here. You can see a couple things back here. The wire. This is one of the racks for one of the trucks. We had some tubes up there. We put conduit in, fill that in. We had to retrofit one of our vehicles by about last month. So all in all, just wanted to showcase you guys. What we'll do is kind of around out here. You can see we're actually right next to a brewery, next to a beer distributor. Showcase you guys some of the stuff out front, in the front of our workplace. We installed a few charging stations out there. I want to say 2 months, about 3 months ago, maybe. And they've been working. They've been working great. So I'll showcase you guys those. Also wanted to show you some of our electricians here that are out in the field. These guys are. This is their personality profile. So you can see that each one has dimensions, personality wise. So pretty unique stuff. It just gets us in a kind of a mindset of we know how to communicate well with one another. Here's our Nissan Leaf, our baby. We got a couple babies here. That's the first one. This is the one it all started with back in 2007. This is the Lexus. I have some pictures I'll show you guys. I was actually doing a bunch of. I'd pull up to the house and I'd open up the trunk and I'd have all my charging stations in the back. I'd have the customer select which one they wanted. They'd select and we'd get it installed. It's actually pretty sweet. That was about 2011, 2012 ish. So that's us. 2 charge point units. charging. Kind of a unique thing if you didn't know on the charging stations. What you'll see is whenever you see a solid blue line here, that means that you're actually charging, right? If you ever see a hollow blue thunderbolt, that means that your vehicle is actually not charging. In this case, I believe both of our vehicles are charging. But if you ever pull up to one and you see that the lightning bolt it's hollow, that means that the vehicle is actually not charging. So yeah, that's Smart Charge America. So we'll try to post a few more videos as I kind of get used to the whole posting on YouTube thing. But until then, we're going to explore a couple things. I'll show you guys a couple tricks, charging times, installation procedures, kind of some of the best practices you want to use. Yeah, just wanted to showcase our first video for YouTube. If you like it, why don't you like, share, subscribe. We are creating a Patreon page, so that'll be coming out here soon. And our goal really is to just show everyone in America when it comes to electric car charging. It's not as easy as it looks, but if we can dumb it down, if we can explain some best practices and kind of help you guys along the way, why not? Let's do it. We'll talk soon. Thanks, guys.